In this video, I'm going to show you 3 websites where you can make at least $20 per day into your PayPal account. Hey guys, welcome. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. So I'm going to show you 3 websites that you can sign up for free and you can start making money with PayPal without any investment whatsoever. Now, these websites are not designed to make you, $10,000 per month. If you want to learn how to make the big money, you might need to jump into something like affiliate marketing or starting your online business, which I have a lot of videos in my channel which can help you do that. But if you simply want to make an extra $20 per day, $500 a month, something like that, then these websites can definitely help you do that. Now, the reason why I've chosen these 3 websites is mainly because they've been around for over 10 years. So you know they're legit. They actually are paying on time every single month. And there's a potential to make more money if you really jump into it. So the very first website that I want to share with you, it's called CashGrade.com. Now, CashGrade has been around since 2006. They've paid out hundreds of thousands of dollars to its members, even millions of dollars. And you can sign up for free where you can complete surveys, offers, you can get cash back when you buy through their referral partners. But mostly you make most of the money by completing surveys and offers. Now these are pretty simple to do. All you have to do is sign up for a free account, and depending on what country you're signing up from, you might get more offers and more surveys than other countries. If you're signing up from the United States, you might get a little bit more tools and offers and information to help you make more money. CashGrade has one key aspect that can help you expand your income and make way more money is their referral program, mainly because you can make 20% of whatever your referrals make. So let's say you refer 500 people and they complete offers and they actually engage in the CashGrade system, then you can make 20% of whatever they make on a monthly basis. So that's pretty cool, and you can check it out. I'm going to post all the links and all the information that I'm talking about in this video in the description below, so make sure to check it out. Website number 2, another website that's been around for more than 10 years. It's called Treasure Trooper. Now this website is really similar to CashGrade, where you also complete offers and complete surveys to make money, and you also make money by referring other people who do the same thing. They actually added a gaming aspect to the website where you actually can make money by playing games. They have paid over $7 million to their members in the lifetime of the website, and they actually offer instant payouts where you can cash out your payment to your PayPal account. Now you can make money for logging in daily, you can make money for referring people, you can make money for completing small surveys that take you less than 60 seconds to complete. And they also have a skeptic center where they have proof of people getting paid. You can check out all the checks and the cash out of people who are making $50, $100, $200 a month. Just like Treasure Trooper, CashGrade also has a section where you can see people receiving checks and proving that they can actually make money with the system. Now you don't need any special requirements to join Treasure Trooper. You can just sign up for free. All you need is your name, your email, and you're pretty much set to go. And although you're not going to make a lot of money, if you just want to make an extra $10, $15, $20 per day, it can help you do that if you're able to refer other people who also do the same, and you're going to make a commission of whatever they make. Now the third website I want to show you, it's one of my favorite websites, mainly because I've used this website in the past and I've made quite an amount of money using this website. The difference between Sip.Zilch, which is one of the websites that's also been around for more than a decade, is that you only need to complete a trial offer once. Websites like CashGrade and Treasure Trooper, you have to log in on a monthly basis and you have to do different tasks in order to make money. With Sip.Zilch, all you have to do is complete a trial offer once to get a credit, and once you get that credit, you don't need to do any more offers. Then for every single referral you get into the system, you'll make $20 for every single referral that is paid to you instantly on the same day to your PayPal account. Now, I have payment proof of 20, 40, 60, $80 payments that I've received in the past from Sip Not a Silch on a daily basis when I was actually heavily promoting this program, because it's actually very simple to do. And I have created a video that explains the whole thing. I'm going to link to that video right here. You can check it out in the description below. And it explains the entire process of how I did it, how I utilized just 1 or 2 hours per day using Facebook and Craigslist and different platforms to get, 60, 80, $100 in a single day just using Sip Not a Silch. So these 3 websites can definitely help you get to $20 per day if you actually take the time. If you have 1 or 2 hours per day that you want to throw into this type of websites, they can help you do that. You're not putting any investment out of pocket. All you're doing is investing your time, and they pay you to your PayPal account. Like I said, they're legit. They've been around for more than a decade, so there's no scamming, or you're not going to have to worry about not getting your payment. I would suggest that you check out the frequently asked questions of each of these websites so you can understand how they work and how much money can you really make using them. So if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing, give me a thumbs up, and just leave a comment if you want. I have a lot more content coming up in regards to making money online with affiliate marketing, how to build an online business, and how to do advertising online. And hopefully I'll see you on the next video.